Morning everyone, this is Nawaz sir here. Right. So as promised, we are doing a new chapter today. The question here is, Anitha said the numbers 8, 12, 30 and 45 are in proportion. Do you agree with Anitha? Give reason. Okay. By analyzing the numbers, I agree with Anitha. I say yes. Because if I do 8 by 12, 8 by 12 is nothing but 4 2s are 4 3s are, I am getting it as 2 by 3. As well, let me do 30 by 45. So if I am doing 30 by 45, so 15 2s are 15 3s are. This is also equal to 2 by 3. So this is the reason why I agree with Anitha. Next, question number 2. 48 bags of paddy. 48 bags of paddy cost rupees 16,800. Then find the cost of 36 bags of paddy. Now this question is related to direct proportion. Here x1 is given as 48, y1 is 16,800, x2 is 36, and we have to find y2. Okay, x1 48 bags, y1 is rupees 16,800, x2 is changing to 36 bags. Let us take y2 as y2 as rupees y, right? So now let us find out that. Now this question, in this one, it is about bags, number of bags and amount. So they will be in direct proportion. They will be in direct proportion. So now x1, x is directly proportional to y. That means x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. What do we have to find? y2 we have to find. So from this one, y2 will be equal to x2 into y1 by x1. Now let's substitute the values. y2 is equal to x2. x2 is what? 36. 36 into y1. y1 is what? 16,800 divided by x1. x1 is 48. Now if you see this, 36 and 48, they both comes into the same table. 36 and 48, they both comes into the same table, that is of 12. So we can cancel them. 12 3s are, 12 4s are. Now this 16,800, it comes in the table of 4. So we can cancel that also. 4 1s are, 4 4s are, 4 2s are, and 4 0 0s are. So y2 is equal to 3 into 4,200. Now if we multiply this 42 with 3, it will be 126. That zeros remains as it is. So the answer for y2 is nothing but 12,600. So 36 bags cost rupees 12,600. Please make a note of this. We'll do the next problem. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, now question number 3, a loaded truck travels 14 kilometer in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? Same thing again. This part is also like this question. In this one also, it is of direct proportion here. So x1 is given as 14 kilometer, y1 is 25 minutes, x2 we don't know, we have to find x2, that is how many kilometers it can travel. Y2 is nothing but is given as 5 hours. So now since we are doing direct and inverse proportion, this y2, y1 and y2 value both needs to be of same unit. So y1 is in minutes, so we are going to convert this y2 into minutes also. That is 1 hour will be equal to 60 minutes. So y2 is equal to 5 into 60 minutes. So 5 into 60 is 300 minutes. Okay. So the question is of direct proportion. So the formula is x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. We have to find x2. So x2 will be equal to x1 into y2 divided by y1. Now let us substitute the values. x1 is what? x1 is 14 into y2. y2 is 300. y1 is y1 is 25. Now we can cancel them. 25 ones are 25 ones are. So 5 remains. 5 and 0 makes 50. So 25 to the 50. So 14 into 12, that is 168 kilometers. That means it can travel 168 kilometers in 5 hours. Let's make a note of this. Now here, question number 4 is, if a pipe can fill a tank of capacity 50 liters in 5 hours, then how long will it take to fill a tank of capacity 75 liters? Now here nothing is changing. The pipe is remaining same, and there is only one pipe which is filling a tank of capacity 50 liters in 5 hours. Okay, the same pipe is going to fill a tank of capacity 75 liters. So now here x1 is 50 liters, y1 is 5 hours. x2 we have to find. x2 is not given. He is asking us to find x2. y2 is given as 70. Sorry. x2 is given as 75 liters. y2 he is asking us to find. Like in how much time it is going to fill a tank of capacity 75 liters. So same thing, x1 by y1, x2 by y2. So this is a case of direct proportion here. So y2 we have to find. y2 will be equal to x2 into y1 by x1. So x2 is what? x2 is 75 into y1 is 5 x1 is 50. Now 75 and 50, they both comes into the same table of 25. So we can cancel them. 25 2s are 25 3s are 3 into 5 is 15. So this is coming as 15 by 2. So that will be 7.5 hours. Is it clear? Please make a note of this. Okay, we have a few more questions in this chapter that I will be doing into the next video. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends who are writing class 8 SA2 examinations. Share it with everyone. Let them learn mathematics. Okay. Uh, Ask them to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining. Thank you very much.